Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA X20. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and go to Display. In here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, adjust white balance between warm and cold, manage lock screen. For example, you can manage notifications on lock screen, enable or disable add a glance, add text on lock screen, enable or disable show wallet, show device controls, always show time and info, enable or disable double tap to check the phone, lift to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. Then you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes, and enable or disable screen attention. Then you can enable or disable dark theme, change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, auto rotate screen, and set screensaver. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.